Hello, IG Garage family. Is your check engine light on, and your scanner showing P0144? This means your car's oxygen sensor is sending too much voltage, which could lead to poor fuel economy, high emissions, or even engine performance issues. In this video, we'll break down what P0144 means, where the sensor is located, and how to fix it quickly. Stick around to avoid costly repairs. The P0144 trouble code stands for Oxygen Sensor Circuit High Voltage, Bank 1, Sensor 3. Oxygen sensors measure oxygen levels in the exhaust and send voltage signals to the Engine Control Module, or ECM. If the voltage is too high, the sensor might be malfunctioning or the engine is running too rich, meaning too much fuel and not enough air. Symptoms of P0144 include check engine light on, poor fuel efficiency, black smoke from the exhaust, strong fuel smell, and a failed emissions test. Common causes of P0144 are a faulty oxygen sensor in Bank 1 Sensor 3, which may be sending incorrect signals, a rich fuel mixture, meaning too much fuel in the engine can cause excessive voltage readings, damaged or shorted wiring such as frayed, pinched, or corroded wires, can increase voltage output. Fuel system problems like a stuck open fuel injector or high fuel pressure can make the mixture too rich. And in rare cases, an ECM malfunction where the ECM might be incorrectly interpreting sensor data. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine containing cylinder 1. Sensor 3 is located after the catalytic converter, further down the exhaust system near the muffler. This sensor monitors exhaust gases and helps adjust fuel trim for better efficiency. The sensor connects to a 4-wire plug leading to the ECM. The heater circuit receives power from a fuse or relay, typically in the engine bay fuse box. Look for damaged or shorted wires near the exhaust or under the car. First, inspect the oxygen sensor and wiring. Locate Bank 1, Sensor 3, and check for damaged or loose wires. Look for melted wires or corrosion near the exhaust system. Next, check the sensor voltage output. Use a multimeter to measure the O2 sensor voltage. A properly working sensor should show 0.1 volts to 0.9 volts. If the voltage is consistently too high, the sensor may be faulty. Then, inspect the fuel system. Check for leaking or stuck open fuel injectors, which can cause a rich mixture. Ensure the fuel pressure regulator is working properly. If the wiring and fuel system are fine, replace the oxygen sensor if needed. Install a new OEM or high-quality aftermarket O2 sensor. Finally, clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the P0144 code. Drive for a few miles and ensure the check engine light doesn't return. That's how you fix P014402, Sensor Circuit High Voltage, Bank 1 Sensor 3. If your car is running rich, using too much fuel, or failing emissions, check your oxygen sensor and fuel system. For more car fixes, watch these next: P004102 sensor signals swapped, Bank 1 Sensor 2, Bank 2 Sensor 2, and P0042 HO2S heater control circuit, Bank 1 Sensor 3. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert car repair tips from IG Garage. See you in the next one.